Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to enable and how to customize the Nylite or iComfort mode. Or actually a ready mode, because this is the name of the iComfort mode in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Here, let's scroll down and find display and brightness. Scroll down again and localize reading mode. Let's tap on it. So first of all, we have to tap on this first switcher to actually turn on this option. And here we've got two different modes. So the cycle one, which is automatic, you do not have to do anything here, you actually cannot. And the classic one, where you can actually customize everything. So let me focus on this classic one. Let's simply tap on this arrow here, and now we can customize the reading mode, the color temperature. Usually it will be on this neutral position, so the changes are not really that much visible. You can go to the left to make it even cooler, and by going to the right you can make it warmer. It is aimed to filter the blue light. You can also apply something which is called texture. Here it is turned off. By going to the right you can apply it, and basically this is the paper-like texture which is applied to the background. It depends whether you like this effect or not. I believe that it could be useful if you're reading books on the phone and you wish to have this more book-like or paper-like feeling to it. But as I said, it's completely up to you. The colors, here we've got the reference, and we can display full colors, so they are vibrant, light colors, and they are a little bit dull and washed out. I hope that you can see the difference on the wallpaper. And black and white, and everything will be displayed in the black and white manner. So it's up to you which option you prefer, and you can restore defaults. You can also schedule that feature right here. Let's tap on the switcher, and either you can use Good Night's Read, and this option is automatic, so your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, and this option is also based on the sunsets. And you can custom period, which means that you can choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. Alright, so this is the manual customization of reading mode, and if you wish to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar to open this control center and try to find the reading mode. It will be this eye icon. If you cannot find it here, no worries, just go to edit, find it here and tap on the plus icon, and remember to tap on the tick icon to confirm. And now all you have to do is to tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.